Hello, sir.
Hello, little one. How can I help you today?
I want to buy some chocolates. Do you have any special ones?
Oh yes, we have many kinds. Do you like milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or white chocolate?
And what's the difference?
Well, milk chocolate is sweet and creamy. Dark chocolate has a rich taste and is a little bitter. White chocolate is very sweet and smooth.
I like sweet things. I think I want milk chocolate.
That's a great choice. Would you like plain milk chocolate or one with nuts or caramel?
Wow, pink chocolate? That's cool. What other colors do you have?
We have brown chocolate, white chocolate, pink chocolate, and even green chocolate made from matcha.
It's so yummy. I think I want one of these too.
Wonderful. So that's one milk chocolate bar, one pink strawberry chocolate, and one caramel chocolate. That will be $6 in total.
There's the money.
Thank you. Here's your change and your chocolates.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to eat them.
You're welcome. Enjoy your chocolates and have a sweet day.